Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you how to use option 3 for this Pick 2 assignment. So again, on your classwork screen, click 1.4, Pick 2. And you've got option 3 here of these 4 options. You are picking 2. So go to option 3, Create a Slide. So this is a shared slide deck. The whole world's literature class is using this slide deck, okay? You can edit it. This first slide is directions. So here's your task. You're characterizing the dad in this story. You should have a word and definition. So think like, what's like a creative, compelling adjective? Think something you might want to use in your race paragraph later this week. Okay. You should use an image or GIF, you should use a quote, and you should use your name and class period. So here's an example slide. You could say, this dad is dejected. Notice how I did this fancy thing where I linked to the word. And then I gave the definition, I gave an illustration, and I said why I picked that word and included my name. Okay? So what you can do then is scroll down through the rest of this slide deck, and you're just going to see these templates. Okay? So just go to the first one that's blank. So in my case, I would go here. You can insert your word here. So maybe he is bossy. He's not really that bossy, so don't use that word. Okay? So then I could look up a definition of bossy. Here's a good one on Merriam-Webster. If you want to include a link, here's what you do. Select it, go to copy. So you can either do file copy or hit Command C. Go back over here, highlight it, and you can link. Now you've got a link. Whoa. Okay. So give the definition, do an image, do your quote. You can just like edit this however you want. Okay. Yeah, you can edit it however you want, but include all of those things. When you're done, great, you're done. That's it. Let us know if you have questions.